Inside of your existing brick chimney, there is a lining of 2-foot sections of terracotta clay pipe, stacked on top of each other all the way down to the base where the heating appliance connects. When everything is airtight and in good condition, it can vent out the top of the chimney. For many years, the chimney was left without a cap. This allowed rainwater to get in and mix with the soot, and create a sulfuric acid that ate away at the chimney lining, causing it to rot, weaken, and collapse down to the bottom. When the terracotta rots and falls to the base, it creates blockage that causes a puffback of soot or carbon monoxide coming back into the home. Where each terracotta clay pipe once was is also a problem, because now there is a hole inside the chimney. Instead of it being airtight and venting correctly, it's now like a straw with a hole in the side. It can only vent to where the airtight seal is broken and escape through the bricks and cement. The bricks and cement were never made to encase the draft, and will fall apart very quickly to the point where the chimney needs to be rebuilt. The original chimney was sized for the original heating appliance, which operated at a higher temperature and drafted extremely hot. Over the years, tune-ups are performed, and newer, higher efficiency heating appliances are installed, causing units to no longer run at hotter temperatures. This makes it harder for the heat to rise out of the top of the chimney and create a safe, natural, consistent draft. When the flue gases cool, this creates condensation that mixes with the soot and deteriorates the terracotta clay lining even more rapidly. Adding to the chimney not drafting safely and consistently is the outside ambient temperatures changing throughout the year. When the temperature outside becomes warmer, it makes it hard for the chimney to draft consistently and safely. The good news is it's still in the transitional phase where the existing masonry chimney can be repaired instead of being knocked down and rebuilt. If the chimney issues aren't addressed, not only will the chimney remain unsafe, but soon it will no longer be able to be repaired and will have to be rebuilt to stabilize the structure. This can cost between $15,000 and $25,000, and even then, it will still have to be relined. Right now, we can install a stainless steel, smooth wall, UL listed lining system from top to bottom, bypassing all the damaged sections of clay, and connect it directly to the smoke pipe coming off your heating appliances. This system creates an airtight seal from top to bottom. Also, properly sizing the lining system will ensure a consistent, safe, natural draft all year round. The chimney will then be capped to avoid any water or objects from getting into the chimney. Once installed, it's given a lifetime warranty backed from the manufacturer, and you will never have to worry about it again. Through the years, heating appliances are tuned up and upgraded numerous times, while the chimney never gets addressed. This can be looked at as addressing a safety issue or simply updating your home.